In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete poly.ai account on website. Now, poly.ai recently got renamed to polybuzz, so it's the same thing, and you can find this on polybuzz.ai, and this is now the website where you can delete your account if you want to, because it's essentially the same tool, the same app, the same thing. Now, to delete your account, you actually don't have to go up here, top right, and settings, because as you can see, there's nothing in here. What you have to do is click over here where it says Discover, and then go to the very bottom of this page over here, and at the very bottom, as you can see, it says under Legal, Delete Account. You can click on this, and then over here, it says Account Deletion Agreement, and then your login way. So if you're logged in with Google, that's what it's going to say. And then it says you have to read about the consequences of account deletion. You have to read all this, and if you agree with it and you still want to essentially close your account, you have to press I have read the cancellation agreement. You want to press this so it kind of marks up, and then you have to press delete over here, which will completely delete your poly.ai account on the website. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.